Welcome to our home in Hurricane, Utah, right by the Sand Hollow Reservoir. We are at the resort at Sand Hollow, and we are just 25 minutes from the entrance to Zion's National Park. We're just a few minutes from I-15. We've got Quail Hollow State Park in the vicinity, and there's just so much to do, including golfing. We have a clubhouse and a pool area in the community, and a lot of fun things to do. Right here to the left is a nice big garage. It's a 2-car garage and then some. And there's actually a door to the right over there that goes to the back patio area. We'll show that here in a minute. Beautiful home with 10-foot and higher ceilings. There's a nice picture of what you'd experience in Zion National Park. And we've got beautiful tile flooring throughout here. I'm going to go ahead and go to the left. Opens up into a big family room with really dramatic high ceilings. Really cool ceiling fan there. And then a beautiful view out those windows. Nice open natural light that comes in. It's furnished beautifully here with smart TV and Apple streaming device there. And then it has this beautiful kitchen, big island, granite countertops, undermount sink. We've got stainless steel appliances, gas oven actually. So a lot of cabinet space. That's a pantry there in the corner. And then there's a dining area right off here with, again, beautiful tall windows that let in some very nice open, natural light there. Let me get another view back this direction here. We'll come back down the hallway and look at what is featured here to the right of the foyer. This accommodates a couple of people here. There's a nice sofa there and a kind of a fold-out bed. It's got double doors, but it can act as a bedroom or just a room to relax in. Get a beautiful bedroom set here for a queen-size bed. And just a really nice room. It's got a nice tall closet. All the doors are nice. The nice 8-foot doors. It really makes a nice impression. Got blinds on all the windows. Very nice. Continuing down the hallway, we've got a bathroom here on the right side. Granite countertops, alder vanity there. That nice tile flooring continues into the bathroom, and then a beautiful tile tub surround. To the left, coming down this hallway, is the laundry room. Cabinets there, and we have an ironing board and an iron there. And let's take a look at this room. This room has some awesome bunk beds, twin size on the top, full size on the bottom. So it's a great bunk room. There's not a lot of extra space by the time you put these 2 bunk beds in there, but great place to have the kids bunk together. And then this is the master suite. It's got a beautiful bathroom, you'll see in a moment. TV mounted to the wall, nice tray ceilings, another one of those big ceiling fans. There's actually a door that comes into the home right here, and there's a patio to enjoy out the door here from the master bedroom. There's privacy there, privacy wall there from the street. Let's take another look back this direction at this beautiful master bedroom. The master bathroom has double vanity, granite countertops, a little different cabinetry. But just a beautiful vanity there. It's got a separate room for the toilet. Little linen closet there. And then a very custom shower, tile shower there. Some beautiful hardware there. And kind of a little bench seat there. Very nicely done. And it's kind of neat here. This is the master closet. And what we've got is a kind of a little kitchenette, if you will. Even a table and 2 chairs, but there's a mini fridge and a sink there with some shelving. I love this tile flooring that is a wood print on it. Beautiful. Just really nicely finished. The home was built in 2016, so it's like new. And again, I can't say enough about how many fun things are just within 20-25 minutes. St. George, the city of St. George, is just a few minutes down the road. And what a great home to relax in and come down and enjoy southern Utah. Got a little bit of a breeze today, but I wanted to come out here and take a look at this covered patio. And there is a little bit of a lawn here. And this covered patio wraps around to this side.